I'm Chris Burnett, UK Director at TecOpti. There's moments in your career where everything you've learned, everything you've built, and everything you believe about how this industry should operate and come together in one place. For me, that place is TecOpti. We've opened up our UK office because we believe that UK manufacturers deserve a Syspro partner with global capability and genuine local commitment. We're obsessed with getting it right for your business. That's what TecOpti is built on, and we're just getting started. And I have to say, one of the things I'm most excited about is having you alongside me on this journey, Martyn. For anybody who knows Syspro in the UK, Martyn Ivey needs no introduction. But I'm absolutely delighted to officially announce that Martyn has joined TecOpti as our Business Development Manager here in the UK. Martyn, welcome to the team.
Chris, thank you. What drew me to TecOpti, quite honestly, is simple. TecOpti delivers ERP implementations that are simpler, faster, and built around the way a business truly works, not the other way around. That philosophy runs through everything they do, particularly in the highly complex technical environments where the precision, compliance, and quality are non-negotiable. Combined with the depth of Syspro's ERP and AI capabilities and the genuine care TecOpti puts into every customer relationship, I wanted to be part of bringing that to the UK.
Yeah, that's what underpins all of it. Something we say at TecOpti is ERP is only as powerful as the people who use it. That's not where most partners start, but it's where we start. So we have offices around Australia, New Zealand, USA, South Africa, and now, thanks to Martyn, we're here in the UK. And we're already built around that belief that our team brings together decades of hands-on experience with over 400 ERP implementations. So getting the technology right and empowering the people who use it every day, that's where the real difference is made.
Yeah, for manufacturers in precision engineering, aerospace, food and beverage, distribution and logistics, all businesses where compliance and traceability are critical, you now have a local team with a global depth behind them. And as Chris said, over 400 implementations worldwide, every one of them built around making the technology work for the people in the business and not the other way around.
Yeah, we're incredibly proud to bring all of that with those verticals to the UK. So if you want an ERP partner that puts your people first, gets the technology right, and will be there for you long after you go live, come and talk to us. So visit TecOpti.com because we're here and we're ready.